Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video we're going to be making almond milk. First thing, you want to soak your almonds in water for 6 to 8 hours. You can leave it in the refrigerator overnight. So soaking is going to promote digestion and also help with absorption. So almond is so good. It contains healthy fats, protein, vitamin E. It is low in sugar, which is good for those with diabetes. And the ones you find in grocery stores and supermarkets can be enriched or fortified with vitamin D and calcium for strong bones. So, but this one, I'm going to show you how to make it naturally in the comfort of your home. I'm going to show you how to make it the way you want it, the consistency and taste you want. So you can actually skip the peeling process if you don't mind, but the skin of almond is so hard to digest, and it also contains tannins which prevent complete absorption of nutrients. So it is one thing to eat your food, and it's another thing for the food to be absorbed into your body so you get all of the nutrient and benefit that you want. So we're gonna do a little bit of maths. You can add 4 cups of water to 2 cups of almond, or you can do 1 cup of almond to 3 cups of water. However you want to do your maths, just do it. But just have it at the back of your mind that the more water you add, the lighter the milk would be, and the less water you add, the more creamy and thicker the texture of your milk is gonna be. So at the end of it, please don't throw away the fiber because you need it for your gut. It's good for gut health. You can add it to your smoothies, you can add it to your muffin, your cakes, however you want to eat it. It's also good and healthy. So almond is so good. The ones you find in grocery stores and supermarket is always enriched or fortified with vitamin D and calcium for healthy bones. So it is rich in healthy fats and protein. And as far as vitamin E is concerned, it's a fat soluble vitamin. It's so good for the body. It helps the immune system to be strong. It balances cholesterol level. It is actually low in sugar and it's good for diabetics. And it also stimulates hair growth. That's why a lot of hair growth, they add vitamin E for stronger hair. So it's best if you eat it in a natural way. There are other sources of food that you can actually get vitamin E from, and these foods are almond. Almond is so good. It's the #1 food that is so rich naturally with vitamin E. So you can also get it from spinach, sweet potatoes, avocados, sunflower seeds, and palm oil. So almond is so good. I'm gonna add a little bit of date fruit just to enhance the taste for its sweetness. On this channel we do everything natural, so I'm using the date fruit as my natural sweetener, and it's gonna make the taste so amazing. It's gonna taste so good. So almond milk is so good. It also helps with the skin. It helps with skin, hair, and nails. Yeah, it's so good. So if you are lactose intolerant, this is the good choice for you. You might want to go for this because it is naturally lactose free. Yeah, it's so good. You can actually do a whole lot of stuff with this nut milk. You can add it to your smoothies. You can add it to your tea. You can add it to your coffee. I don't know how it's gonna taste because I don't drink coffee. For me, I usually add it to my kiddos bowl of cereal, and it tastes so good. Yeah, So I'm gonna go ahead and strain it with my go-to strainer. I love this cheesecloth. So I don't want to see no tiny little particles of fiber. So I just want to have a nice, clean, refined nut milk. Yeah, you could see the color. Then when you peel the back of the seeds, it's gonna make the nut milk look so bright and white. So there you go. That is our liquid gold. So you want to go ahead and make it for your family, make it for your friends and loved ones, your kids. Drink and stay healthy, because when you stay healthy, you feel healthy, and whatever you put in your body is what you get back. So thank you so much for watching. Until I see you next time, please stay safe and healthy. Always remember, whatever you put in your body is what you get back. So subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of juicing, skincare, natural home remedy. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. I want to see and I want to know what you think about this video. Please do something. If you can share, then like the video. If you can like, please subscribe. You need to do something. Give it a thumbs up or whatever. I want to see your reaction on this video. So thank you so much for watching.